Hey everyone, want to get your friends' opinions on your Snapchat stories? Today I'm showing you how to add interactive polls in seconds, so let's get started. First, open up Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now you'll be on the camera screen. Take a photo or video for your story. Just tap the circle to take a photo or hold it down to record a video. You can also use the lenses and filters as usual. Once it captured your snap, tap the sticker icon in the top right corner. Scroll through the sticker options until you find the poll sticker. It usually looks like a bar graph or a question mark with two options. Now you'll see the poll sticker on your snap. Tap on the question text to edit it. Type your poll question, for example, pizzas or burgers. Below the question, you'll see two default options. Tap on each option to edit them. Type in your desired poll choices. For example, pizzas and burgers. You can now reposition and resize the poll sticker by dragging and pinching it on your snap. Place it where it looks best. Feel free to add other stickers, text, or drawings to your snap to make it more engaging. Once you're happy with your polls, tap the Send To button in the bottom right corner. On the Send To screen, tap My Story. Then tap the blue arrow button at the bottom right to post your story with the poll. Your story is now live. To see the poll results, swipe up on your story. Your friends can vote by tapping on their preferred option on the poll sticker. And that's how you create a poll on your Snapchat story. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.